Education is the thing no one can take from you. With this motivational quote, let's continue with our chapter. So in this video, we are going to understand about the properties of non-metals. So as we have already learned about the metals which are shows some properties, so it means non-metals are not showing the properties of metals. That's why they call to be non-metals. So let's begin. Okay, so properties of non-metals. So in the nature, there are so many examples of metals and few of having for the non-metals. So which are those? Those are carbon, sulfur, iodine, oxygen, hydrogen. These are the examples of non-metals. Okay, and these metals either should be in solid form or it should be in gaseous form. And there is one exception, that is bromine, which is in liquid form. Okay, so now let's imagine that all these metals are showing the same properties like metals. No, let's see how. So this is the first example. Okay, this is the example of gallium, right? Gallium is a metal which is having very low melting point. Okay, even cesium also. Gallium and cesium, it is having very low melting point. Even if you put on your palm, you can see in the picture, if you put on your palm, it will be melt. Okay, so this is not a metal. It is a looks like a metal, but it is having the low melting point, right? So this is a example of non-metal. What it is? Gallium and cesium. So we have one more example here. As we know, all the metals are showing the property, that is metallic luster, but this is the example of iodine which shows the metallic luster. Okay, iodine shows, iodine, it is a non-metal actually, but it shows the metallic luster property, but it is not a metal, it is non-metal. So let's talk about the carbon. Carbon is a non-metal, okay, which exists in different forms, and each form is called to be allotrope. So our first form is what? The diamond. Okay, this is the hardest natural substance, right, and which is showing high melting and boiling point together. So diamond is a allotrope of carbon, remember. So when we have one more allotrope, that is a graphite, which shows good conductivity towards the electricity. So let's talk about our touch me not elements. These are the lithium, sodium and potassium, which are very soft in nature and which are having a less density, low densities, and having low melting point. That's why we are storing them in kerosene. Lithium, sodium and potassium, which are non-metals, remember. Finished a short video on physical properties of non-metals. So in our next video, we will understand about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Thanks for watching.